And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 230. Let me show you the stem photo filter. As always for filters, we go to filter and use the filter gallery. And inside of the sketch folder, you should find the stem. Zoom out. If you can't find it at all, just use the drop down here where it's alphabetically sorted. We have two adjustment parameters. Light and dark balance is basically the threshold. So if you're familiar with that, you can make this brighter, you could say, with low values and then darker with high values. But I would say more important is the second adjustment option here at first, which is called the smoothness. Because this controls how sharp or soft your edges are going to look. And you can see that here if I go higher, it's also going to simplify the shape. So it is more like a posterization effect. Therefore, if you want to have detailed results, just go down with the smoothness to the lowest value, which should be 1. And afterwards, play around with the balance here, light, dark. So now I can go a little bit up, maybe to like 9. And as always, don't forget to confirm we are okay. And this I can use the stem photo filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.